Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem many MS Word users face. Have you ever been typing a super long equation in Word only to find that it's spilling out of the content window? It can be frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone in this problem. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. In the screenshot shown, you might notice that the equation is going outside the content window. This typically happens when you're working inside a predefined equation field that keeps everything in one line. But fear not, there's a simple solution to this dilemma. Solution time. To fix this issue, cut the content of your equation starting from the curly bracket. Then, move your cursor outside of the equation field, hit Enter, and paste the content back in. Voila! Your equation should now neatly fit within the content window without any overflow issues. In summary, if you ever find yourself struggling with a lengthy equation in MS Word that's going beyond the content window, remember to cut and paste your content outside of the equation field. It's a quick and easy fix to ensure your equations stay nicely formatted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite word equation mishaps. See you next time.